Hi guys, let's start statistics. So in first chapter we discuss the branches of statistics, that is descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. But we haven't talked so much about the differences. What is the descriptive statistics and inferential statistics? So to understand these two concepts, first we should know few basic terms. So let's start now. So first is like population. So basically, population is a collection of persons, item, or object of same interest. Don't forget it. Same interest. So what does it mean? Same interest. So suppose that we want to study about the automobile industry. We cannot include mobiles because they do not share same interest. Okay. Second is a sample. We can say sample is a portion, or we can say subgroup of population of same interest. Okay, so suppose that we want to study about the population. We can take example of wine consumption in Delhi. Okay, so practically, if we think we cannot do the or we cannot conduct the whole study on the all population of Delhi because it may have a very high cost. Secondly, very time consuming. So actually, to deal with this situation, what researchers do, they take samples from the populations randomly, or maybe randomly it may be systematic sampling, stratified sampling. So we will discuss these sampling methods later on. So for the timing, हम ये समझ सकते हैं. So sample one, we can say sample one, sample two. For this is only the example, okay? Sample 02. So we want to conduct the study the wine consumption in Delhi. So we can take a few static statics such as we can say number of consumer, we can say average consumption, we can say we can take average age or anything. So these are the statistic. Uh, Basically, the measurements which is used in sample is called statistic. So let's now discuss descriptive statistics. Descriptive and inferential. inferential. Okay, so descriptive is basically is a method to represent and summarize. This is the method to represent, summarize, or more meaningful data. So we can say, we can take mean, mean. Through the mean, we can know the average consumption, or we can say we can take median, mode, standard deviation. And descriptive measures deals about the samples. Descriptive statistics does not allow the decision making beyond the data. So we can say that it does not allow decision making beyond the data. And inferential statistics, we gather data from samples and uses statistic to reach the conclusion about the population. Okay, so second point is the decisions are made about the parameters. So basically, the measurements which are used in samples are called statistics, and the measures used for the populations called parameters, or parameters represented by capital X, mean, standard deviation, or capital S is the variance. This is a standard deviation. Now question is that how we can predict about the population using the samples statistics. So to deal with it, probability comes in pictures. That's why we will study the probability distribution in further coming chapters.